Hi, I'm Shweta and we are from BIS Infotech. So we are at the Delta Electronics booth. So sir, what are you showcasing today?
Here the ideas of showcasing the how the manufacturing process can be made smarter and lean as far as the industries are concerned. And since it is a semicon
Event.
event in the Yashobhumi, so we are more focusing on how we can contribute in the manufacturing process in terms of monitoring, in terms of the equipment for the semicon or the chip manufacturing.
Okay. Uh, so sir, can you tell us about any future collaborations or anything which you happened in this event, Semicon event?
No, absolutely. This is I cannot say, but we
Okay.
are working on various aspects in this direction.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much, sir.